Hello, today I'll show you what the Bambu Labs Filament Swatches model FAZ029 look like. These swatches help you find the right filament colors for 3D printing projects. There are 80 samples of various filament types, like PLA, PETG, ABS, etc., offered by Bambu Labs, and they can be very useful for testing and visualizing the final print result before buying to a full spool. They also help check material properties, such as texture and flexibility. Each sample has a 5-digit number. Simply search this filament number online, and you'll find the exact same filament spool. This way, you get the same color and texture in your final printed object. I hope this was helpful for you to see these filament colors in real life. Subscribe, because I'm planning a lot more 3D print tips and tricks videos.